Now we're going to do a tank view. I think this tool might be from 1839 because on the back of the lid it says 2/28/739. This tool was made by Trenton Potteries for crane. There was the Trenton Potteries logo. It says the Trenton Potteries Company, Topeka. Crane, Hanover. Has a 400 series fill valve. Alright, and a corky flapper. Here we go. I like this tool, and I hope it doesn't get replaced because it's massive. It looks like it was remodeled. This is a really cool tool. I was actually not expecting something like this. This is a nice surprise because same place as the color one piece I filmed last time.